welcome back. I am back at it today with another PR unboxing. I do these every single Friday here on my channel where I save up all of my PR packages and then we open them together so we can see some of the new makeup launches. I always swatch everything and show you guys what's new. So why don't we go ahead and get started. Our first box here, this is from Wander 2 and they sent over a bunch of different products. So I know that they're known for like their brow products. That's mostly what I think of when I think of them. So I'm not sure if there's other stuff inside of here. It looks like a whole box full of goodies here. So I'll show you guys what we have. So up first we have the Perfect Selfie HD Photo Finishing Powder. So obviously they do have different stuff. It says perfect look in under 2 minutes. So here's what the powder looks like there, very sleek packaging. And then up next we have the brow stuff. So we have their Dual Precision Brow Liner. So this one is in the shade Black Brown. We also have some of their brow gel. So my friend actually got this when it was on sale at Ulta and she was telling me it was really good. So we have their One Step Brow Gel. This one is supposed to last, I think, for days. It says days. I'm not exactly sure how many days, but it's supposed to only take like 2 minutes and last for days. And then we have the Lash Extension Volumizing Mascara here as well. Also in here we have their Last and Foundation. So this is a 24-hour full coverage foundation. So they obviously have more stuff than just brows. I really wasn't that sure on the brand, so they sent me over the shade Sand. Here's what that one looks like right here. So inside of here we have this little kabuki brush right here. And then there are also a ton of other, looks like eyeliners, I think these are. So Super Stay Stick Shadows actually. So there are a bunch of different colors in these stick shadows. There's also Super Stay liners as well. This one is a concealer. Let me know if you guys want to see like a first impressions testing out some of these products. We have more eyeshadow sticks because I can definitely do that. There's enough products here that I could kind of test out the brand in one video. So let me know what you guys think about that. Comment down below if you've tried this brand before or if you enjoy their brow products or anything that you've tried from them. Okay, next up I'm going to open something from Lilah B, and I used the box. I was sending out giveaway packages, and I was looking for a certain size box. So I actually used the box that this came in, so it's kind of just wrapped up, but I don't know what's inside of here. It says, hope you enjoy this special sneak peek launching on May 7th. So I think these are Lovingly Lip Tinted Lip Oil. So here are what the lip oils look like. There are 3 different shades. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch one of them for you. So this one is Be Romantic, and we'll see what kind of formula this is. So it's supposed to be like a lip oil. So I'm guessing it's gonna be more of like a sheer formula. So it actually seems a little bit sticky, so it's kind of more of like a gloss, but I'm sure once it's on the lips, it's gonna kind of just like give more of like a glazed look. But it actually looks like a really nice color. This one right here, really pretty. And then this one again is the Be Romantic. I'll show you guys another one of the shades. This one is Be Elegant. I really like the applicator. It's kind of different. It has a bit of a bend to it. Kind of seems interesting. And then I'll swatch this one here. I'm trying to get a pigment so you guys can see what it looks like. There's that one right there. I'm really curious about this formula, see how it looks on the lips. I'll let you guys know when I test this out, but something new from Lilah B. I do like a lot of their products, so I'm excited to give these ones a try too. So this next package here is from DeLaRZA Cosmetics. I first got to try out DeLaRZA when they did a collaboration with Vianney Strick, who is my friend here on YouTube, and they came out with those absolute beautiful, beautiful lashes, the Princetta lashes. I wear those all the time, and then she had a few liquid lipsticks in there as well. So it looks like this is a new collection. So it says V, I'm not sure if that's like the name of the collection, but it looks like we have some lashes in here, which I do really like their lashes. So we have the style Hustle and then also the style Boy Bye. So here is what the style Hustle looks like. Definitely a very dramatic lash right there. And then the Boy Bye, ooh, wow, these are something right there. Those are definitely like very very intense lashes. I bet those would be really nice with just like a really dramatic eye or even on their own. And then we have some lip products, I believe. So we have some lip glosses. Love all these names. So we have Queen, As If, and I'm Busy. I'm gonna open I'm Busy and see what that one looks like. So here is I'm Busy right here. So then we have As If, and then we have Queen right here in the middle. So those are the 3 different shades. I wanna swatch the pearly one because I think this one looks really pretty. So this one again is Queen, and it looks like it's gonna be like a gold, like metallic-y gloss. So there is a swatch of it right there. You can definitely see like the gold shift in it. And then there's one last lip product in here, and this one is a matte liquid lip. And this one is in Confidence. I love this color. It's like a berry shade. I'll go ahead and swatch this one. Ooh, this is pretty. I love, love, love that color. It smells really good. It smells like candy. That smells delicious, like a vanilla candy. There's that right there. It's already starting to dry down. I tried the formula in the V&A collab, and it was actually really good. So I'll be curious to test these out on the lips, and I love having more lashes from them because I really enjoy their lashes. So up next, we got this big old box here from Moroccan Oil. They have really been like spoiling me lately. I've been getting to test a lot of their products out. So it says here, we're giving you everything you would need to recreate some of our favorite looks. So it looks like we have some different hairstyles in here, and they're gonna give you the products to create them, which is really cool. So we have a tousled wave right here. We have the crown braid, super cute there. And we have the effortless chiffon. That one's really cute, the little bun there. They included the mending infusion. This is a repair, so it helps to repair split ends. That sounds awesome. I need that because I do have really bad split ends. Also inside of here, we have their luminous hairspray. And then we also have this. So this is a hydrating styling cream. And there's also a dry texture spray. And then the last one is the Perfect Defense. So this is going to be like a heat protectant spray. Really awesome things from Moroccan Oil, and I'm definitely gonna have to try out one of these styles. I think the one that I'm gonna try is the tousled waves. So I think that looks really easy and like manageable for me. So I'm gonna have to try this out and see if I can obtain that look. So this is a new brand that I got for this next box. This is from Sweet Chef, and it says cooked up by the team behind Glow Recipe. It says clean ingredients that will freshly boost your skin's vitality for a healthy radiance. It says that they will be available in stores at Target in January. So these are going to be available at Target now. This is cute. They have like these little recipe cards in here. So the first one here is the Ginger Vitamin C Serum Shot. So it says it brightens dark spots and uneven skin tones. We also have inside of here the Kale and Vitamin B Serum Shot. This one hydrates and smooths dry skin. And then there is another vitamin shot. This one here is Beet plus Vitamin A. This one refines pores and smooths rough skin. So I'm assuming these are going to be pretty affordable if they are going to be available at Target. And they're in just like these little dropper forms like this. Cute packaging here. And then it looks like there are also some sheet masks, I think, in here as well. So yes, we have sheet masks to go with each one of the shots here as well. Super cute. I love this packaging with like the little jars with the ginger and the beets on top. I think it's really cute. So these are masks that you just leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. So I will definitely give this brand a try. Let me know if you tried anything from them. So they have been out for a second. I was trying to see if I could see like prices on them at all, but I don't see the prices. But let me know if you guys have tried anything from Sweet Chef yet. So next up, we've got a box from FASHIONSTA. If you guys do not know, I am affiliated with them. I do have a boutique. If you head to FASHIONSTA's website, you can shop all of my favorite things on my boutique in one spot. So I will link it down below if you guys haven't checked it out. But I do have, like I said, a boutique on there where I list a bunch of my favorite products. So what they sent over is, it looks like some lashes. So we have the LA Charm 3D faux mink lashes. These are Brazilian Bombshell. Those lashes are, I don't think I've ever tried this brand. And then also inside of here, there's one more product, and this is from Loreal Los Angeles. I've actually never tried anything from her brand. I lied. I did try out the Party Animal palette. We got that in like a BoxyCharm. Wasn't the biggest fan of that palette, so we'll see about this one. So this is in Jaybird. I've actually heard good things about her lip products. So this is definitely something I will definitely test out. So here is what the shade Jaybird looks like. It definitely looks like it needs to be mixed up a little bit in here, but I'll go ahead and swatch it for you. The applicator seems really nice. So here is a swatch of Jaybird right there. So this is her liquid lipstick formula. It smells really good. It smells like candy again. Everything is just smelling like candy. So super nice little package here from FASHIONSTA. And like I said, if you guys want to check out my boutique down there, you can down in the description box. So up next we have something from BRVE & Co. And they sent over this nice little bangle for me to try out. And I love wearing bangles. They're like my favorites. So there's like a little card in here, which is super cute. And the package comes in like this little thing right here. I'll go ahead and open it up for you guys. Ooh, this is cute. So it actually is gold. So on it says Believe, and it's one of those ones that you like don't have the closure for, so they're really easy to just throw on your wrist. It's kind of hard to see it, but here's what it looks like. It looks like it's going to be really good quality. It looks really, really nice. So I'll go ahead and put it on so you guys can see what it looks like on. But I wear bangles all the time. They're like my favorites. So I'll probably just like throw it on with these other ones. And I like these clasp ones too because you can kind of like tighten them a little bit to your wrist. I have smaller wrists, so for me, I like to kind of just tighten them a bit. That way they stay on and they kind of form to your wrist. That one's really cute. I love the gold. Super, super pretty from them. I will have them linked down below as well if you guys want to check out their website. That's really cute. The next little package says it's from Koki Cosmetics. Ooh, we got some highlighters. How exciting. I do like a lot of Koki's products. They have some really good affordable products. I see them, we have Meijer here. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with Meijer, but I see them at Meijer. I've seen them, I believe, at Walgreens. So these are their brand new Soft Glow highlights. It looks like there are 4 different colors. Here is what it looks like. This is the packaging, very cute, like rose gold packaging. This one here is the shade Gleaming, which I'm gonna go ahead and swatch. Ooh, it feels really nice. And I'll go ahead and swatch it here for you guys. I'm gonna give it another go because it doesn't look super pigmented. Maybe it's one of those highlights that's gonna be a little bit more sheer. You might wanna build it up a little bit. Kind of looks a tad glittery. I'll be curious to try this out. It actually looks a lot more like foiled in the pan than it does when I swatch it. So I'll have to see how it how it goes on the cheek. So there is that shade. I'm gonna try one more. We have this next shade here, which is Heavenly. And I'll go ahead and give this one a swatch. It just feels really buttery when you put your hand in here. But when I swatch, okay, that one swatches a lot better. There's that one right there. You can definitely tell there's a lot more pigment in that one. Maybe I just got a bad swatch of the other one. But here is this shade right here, which is Heavenly, the gold one. And then there are 2 more shades. So we also have this one, which is Divine. And then the last one here is Rosy. It's kind of like a pinky highlight here. I've been wanting to do like a full face of like drugstore makeup, so maybe I could do that using these highlights and we'll try them out. Comment down below if that's something you would be interested in seeing. This little package is from Paulas Choice. And inside of here, it looks like we have a new product to them. So this one is, turn off this little paper here. So this is their new Power Berry Serum. So it says with 15 fruit extracts, fights multi-purpose signs of aging, revitalizes the look of damaged skin. It's 95% natural. It says all skin types on here. Here's what it looks like. And it looks like it has different berries. So we have blueberry, raspberry, alki berry, and goji berry, I believe is what it says. So this one here, it doesn't have any pricing or anything like that. I've actually never tried anything from Paula's Choice. So this will be interesting to try out. I like the packaging. It has like one of those little droppers. I love the packaging like that because I feel like it's really easy to just like drop the product out onto your hands. It's not as messy and stuff. So we'll have to give this a try from Paula's Choice. Thank you for sending that over. Well, up next, I wanted to show you guys this new product that came in from Huda Beauty. I've actually already tested this one out. I did an Instagram video with it, but I wanted to show it to you guys. So this is her new Not Your Mama's Pantyhose. It's the NYMPH illuminators. So these are supposed to be all over body highlighters. They're intense shine, blurring effect, water resistant, and transfer resistant. So we have the first shade, which is Luna, and then we also have have the Aphrodite shade as well, which is more of like a golden. And then we have the deeper shade, which is Aurora right here. So those are the 3 separate shades. I'll show you guys a swatch of the one I've been using, which is Aurora. This thing is so pigmented. Like, you literally need the tiniest amount. I do love the packaging. It's just so luxe looking. But here's like a swatch of, you guys can see how much I put on my hand. Like, it's a decent amount, but that's like one tiny little squirt. Look at how intense the glow of this is. It's kind of crazy. And like, I love it, but it's also like so intense at the same time. Here is it kind of blended out. I feel like if you're gonna put this on your chest or like on your legs and stuff, just keep that in mind. Like, go kind of gentle with it because it's definitely very pigmented, but it does give a nice like smoothness to your skin. It also kind of gives more of like an airbrush kind of a look. So you can see there, it kind of just makes my skin look a little bit airbrushed. It definitely gives a very glowy appearance. I haven't got to try it out on the legs yet, so I'm curious to try that out. It says it's water resistant, so that's always a good thing when it comes to like tanner. I don't want to say like tanners, but when it comes to illuminators, because sometimes I feel like if you're going to be out like by the water and stuff, like you don't want it slipping and sliding. So it's nice that it's going to be water resistant, and it does dry down pretty quickly. Like, it's already almost dry here, so I'll have to let you guys know once I try it out on the legs. Alright, and then our last box this week came over from Lime Crime. So I have some cute little flowers in the box here. It says, Molly, make it summer of color. Love, Crime. So the first thing is the Sheer Pressed Pigment Quad. So this is going to be like an eyeshadow palette, I believe. There's the packaging on that. And then, yes, so it is an eyeshadow palette. You have 4 different colors in here. Of course, I'm gravitating towards the blue shade. Ooh. So these are pressed pigments, so they're going to be like a very matte, very pigmented color. So there's a couple of swatches there. That blue definitely looks intense. Also in here we have the Softwear Blush. This one is in Pixel. The packaging is just so cute. So go ahead and open up this blush. So here is what that one looks like. This is, again, ooh, wait a second. Hold on. Why does it look blue? Is it like getting the blue from the other thing? I'm going to put it on my other hand here. Okay, it must have just been the blue that was on my hand from the other pigment, because I was like, why is it blue? But it definitely like isn't really picking up that much product, so go ahead and swatch it. It's supposed to be like a soft blur formula, but I can't even really see it to swatch it. You can see like a tiny bit of it down there. That'll be interesting to try out on the face and see like what it means when it says Softwear Blush. It's probably just going to be like a very light formula. And then we also have a lip blaze. This is a lip blaze in Clover. And then we also have a soft focus lip veil as well. And then this one here is a Diamond Dew liquid glitter eyeshadow. I've seen these go around and they look so pretty. First off, the packaging is so cute on these in itself. So I'll show you guys a swatch of this. Let me pull it out. I'm nervous to pull it out of the thing here. Okay, so I got it out and I'll show you guys a quick little swatch of it. Pretty. Here's what it looks like right there. Very iridescent, like pinky color, super cute. Really fun to get something from Lime Crime. I really haven't tried too much from their brand. I tried like an eyeshadow palette back in the day, but it's really been a while since I've tried anything from them. So I always like having the opportunity to just like test out new brands and to kind of get a feel for them. So I will definitely be looking forward to trying these ones out. Let me know if you guys have a favorite product or that you recommend from Lime Crime. I'd love to know down in the comment section. After that though, that is going to do it for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy this PR unboxing and haul. I hope you enjoyed seeing the new makeup launches, seeing the swatches and everything. Give this one a thumbs up if you do enjoy my hauls, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, friends.